What's up, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing how to use the static keyword in Java. All right, let's get straight to the code. So let's say for example, we create a variable called int a and set it to 10. Then we go down to our main method and we have int b is equal to a times 10. See, you can't multiply by 10 because a is considered a local variable only for keyword objects. So if you want to have this variable a accessed everywhere, you would use the static keyword. So static just means that variable or method can be accessed anywhere as long as it's inside the class. So you have static a equals 10. And then now let's try making a static method. All right, so we create a method called add. Let's see if we can pass it in our main method. We'll have add 2 and 4. So add only works if you create a keyword object. So let's say I say keyword ky is equal to new keyword. And I say ky dot add 2 and 4. So add is when you don't add the static keyword. Add is it can only be usable if you create a keyword object. But if you want to call on that method without creating an object, you call on add. You add the static keyword. So public static int add. So now when we say inside our method return num1 plus num2, we'll say add 2 and 4. Oh, let's print it out. Add 2 and 4. And yes, 2 plus 4 is 6. So that's how you use the static keyword. If you have any questions, comment below. All right, thank you for watching.